from Rockstar. That's Katya Karu playing out for you right here on City 1016. And yes, Christmas is around the corner.
Ended like City. Merry Christmas
On City 1016.
And nothing in the world makes me happier than knowing that Christmas is around the corner, because that means lots of happiness and joy in the air, lots of parties, lots of food and drink, and being happy and merry. And that's exactly what we have planned for the 25th of December. The whole bunch of us, right? All the City 1016 presenters are going to be at the Dhau Palace Hotel in Bartubai on the 25th of December at the famous Gypsy Chinese restaurant. I don't know if you guys have eaten there in Mumbai. It's one of Mumbai's favorite Chinese destinations, and it's now in Dubai, Gypsy Chinese. If you'd like to join us, then you got to take part in this competition.
Ho, ho, ho! Merry Christmas with Gypsy Chinese Restaurant at Dhau Palace Hotel.
Yummy, yummy, yummy. So lots of great Chinese food, all your favorite presenters. What more can you ask for as a Christmas present, right? If you'd like to join us, here's what you're going to have to do. Figure out the answer to my question. Now, myth has it that the image that we know of Santa Claus, you know, that jolly red guy who wears that big suit and is kind of like got a big beard and is nice and jolly and fat. Well, that image is not really from folklore. That image comes from the advertising of a certain brand. Now, this brand's colors are red and white. Okay, and they used to, advertise with this particular image every year around Christmas time. And it so happened that image became so popular that everybody, whether it was that company or other companies, they all started using that image to represent Santa Claus. Which big brand am I talking about? Which worldwide enormous brand created the image of Santa Claus that we know today? If you've got the answer, message me right now on 4005.
Ho, ho, ho! Merry Christmas with Gypsy Chinese Restaurant at Dhau Palace Hotel.
Chikni Chameli playing out for you right here on City 1016. It's a new song that we're in love with at City 1016. We're playing it at every given opportunity. It's from the movie Agnipath. It's going to be a huge film, and believe me, this is going to be the next Sheila Ki Jawani.
Ended like City. Merry Christmas
On City 1016.
And if you thought Katrina Kaif couldn't get any thinner, well, you should watch the video of Chikni Chameli. And the girl has really learned to dance. I mean, forget about the graceful belly dancing moves that she showed us in Sheila Ki Jawani. This is, how do I put it? It's as rowdy as it gets, okay? When she is doing her jhatkas, her hip is not only going from one corner of the screen to the other, but it's exceeding the screen and going into the next theatre also. Well, right now, to take away a prize that we're giving away from, let me see, one of our favorite places to eat, Gypsy Chinese restaurant at the Dhau Palace Hotel, we've got Rahul. Hello, Rahul. Good afternoon.
Hey Marka, how are you?
I am good. Let me guess, you're working. You're in the office. You're shy to shout.
Yeah, definitely.
What do you do?
We have an event management company, so just getting an event organized for Feb.
Oh,
and it's a
nice.
full talent show, so
Oh,
yeah.
very nice, very nice. By the way, have you watched the video of Chikni Chameli yet?
No, sadly no.
Okay, you should totally go online and watch it when you have a minute. Over lunch,
I will,
okay?
I will
Whenever you're
soon.
eating your lunch and all that, make sure you get on YouTube and watch it. And
Ah,
then tell me
definitely.
what you think.
Yep, definitely.
So
I
tell me
will.
what the correct answer to my question is. I said that the image of Santa Claus that we know today comes from a very famous brand's advertising, and the brand colors are red and white. Which one am I talking about?
It's Coca-Cola.
Yes, it is! Congratulations! And we will give you free May Coke at this big dinner that we're going to be having on the 25th of December.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
So looking forward to it.
Really looking forward to seeing you there as well.
Great.
Bye.
Bye.
The entire team of City 1016 is going to be there. We're going to eat some yummy food. If you've eaten at the Gypsy Chinese restaurant in Mumbai, you know when I say that they serve some amazing food, that they really do serve some amazing food. This one's our City Gold song of the hour. Keep it locked.